Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think that this is a big wave C, and I still think the most likely thing to happen is that it's going to go all the way up to about this 165 area to finish off this wave C. Now the 78.6 is also could be an area of resistance, so we definitely want to keep an eye on that also. But either way, I think that we have a lot of upside potential left. So going down to the weekly time frame is where you can see the last bigger A, B, C correction, and then from that point on, we've been making higher lows the whole way up. I definitely don't see any structure breakdown. I definitely don't see any Fibonacci bounce. I really don't see any reason to think that this is not just going to keep on trending up, making that big pattern like I showed on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where you can see what I think was the last ABC correction at the 38.2 level, three ways down, impulsive up. I do think that we are going down now, but I think this move down is only going to be a correction to this last move up, and I think it's still going to end up continuing the uptrend. So I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, and now on the 4 hour, I do believe that it will end up breaking this structure, which will prove that this whole section of trend is over. It's probably going to be like a 1. This is probably going to go down, make an A, B, C shape, which is probably going to be like a wave 2. And then most likely it's going to turn at a percentage of this last move up, back up, and end up continuing the uptrend, maybe even for a wave 3. Probably an A, B, C of 2, and then back up for a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have very impulsive down, probably is a 1. This is probably an ABC of 2, and we're probably going to go down, make a 3, 4, and 5 of wave A. So yes, even though this has not broken structure to the downside, looking at all yen pairs, especially like the Aussie yen and some of those other ones, I do think that this is going to go down and make a big downtrend for a wave A, eventually make a correction to that for a wave B, and then back down again for a wave C. I think there's a good chance this is all going to be like an ABC of 2. This is going to be a 1. And then once this wave 2 is over, it will end up continuing the uptrend for a wave 3, I believe. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.